Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Payroll module and click on Payroll. Go to Process and then to Advance and Loan. Now go to Gratuity Loan Management and click on Gratuity Instalment Rescheduling. Now you have to select employee given in the list and click on Search. You can also update deduction date by clicking on Deduction Month Date tab. You can also pay installment by clicking on Payment Status as Pay Now button. Gratuity Employee Direct Advances refer to financial advances provided directly to employees against their future gratuity entitlement. Select Transaction Currency. You must enter USD rate, otherwise your payment is paid. Select any bank name given in the list. Double-click on Voucher Amount to show the amount if not updated. Write instruction if anything you want to add. Write details about installment in main narration. If anything missing, you can write in narration box. Navigate to Bank Receipt Voucher option and click on Save and Index. To check any details such as payment status, select employee whom payment is made, then click on Search button.